In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an office building icon in Figma quickly and easily using a free icon plugin. This is a simple workflow, but it's really useful when you want to add clean, professional icons to your designs without having to draw them from scratch. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Figma tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Figma file and go to the design where you want to add the icon. Once you're inside the design, look down at the bottom toolbar and click the Actions icon. This is where Figma keeps a lot of helpful tools, plugins, and widgets that can speed up your workflow. After that, click on Plugins and Widgets. This will open the plugin browser where you can search for the exact tool you need. In the search bar, type Iconify and then run it. Iconify is a popular plugin because it gives you access to thousands of ready-made icons right inside Figma, so you can find almost any icon you need in just a few seconds. Once the plugin opens, use the search bar inside Iconify and type Office. Then press Enter. This will filter the results and show you icons related to office buildings and workspace themes. Take a moment to browse the available results and find the office building icon that matches your design style. When you see the one you want, simply drag and drop the office building icon directly onto your canvas. From there, you can resize it, reposition it, and adjust the color if needed so it fits perfectly into your layout. And that's it. You've now created an office building icon in Figma using Iconify in just a few simple steps. This is a fast and easy method that can save you a lot of time, especially when you're working on UI designs, presentations, dashboards, or branding projects. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Figma tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.